this is such good fun. Hi everyone, my name is Catherine and today we are going to be making a fabulous marble run or marble maze as you might call them. So to make this we will need a paper plate, you will need a marble or a Malteser or something round that you can use at home. You could use leaves or toys. The world's your limit. Whatever you got, you can have fun experimenting. Today we're going to be using pipe cleaners and paper. I've cut some paper into strips. I've also used a crayon to do some colouring and some stickers. And I find taping it down works best. Taping down the bits that you're using in the maze works best. So I will show you how to create this. So we'll start by getting a paper plate. You can decorate it however you want. You might like to put maybe a beach scene, or you might like to draw a road. There's so many great ideas that you can do with this. And then we stick some bits of paper down. So you can make a little loop like you saw on my previous one. So you can make some nice defined edges. Like this. I like to put some lying flats, pipe cleaners lying flat around the edges, makes it fun. Might do another one over this side. And I am going to make a loop out of another pipe cleaner. Gives it different texture, makes it more fun. Him down. Make sure it's big enough for your marble to fit through. I might do another one just here. Should I use paper or pipe cleaner? I might do another piece of paper. And here's how it looks. You can add as many bits that you like. I'm not going to do too many today because we'll make the video shorter, but I can't wait to see what you come up with. And you get to, this is a fun bit, making your marble go through the maze. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching how to make a fun marble run. I really can't wait to see what you make. Bye.